All right, I am not dead yet, and I'm back. So, in this one, we are not we are, like I'm going to announce a very short thing. That is, we are going to rebuild this portfolio, and those who don't know about this portfolio is that this portfolio, which I built in 2022, is all my unique work, no design that I have copied from anywhere, nothing actually. So my own unique idea, and all the designs you can see, this is unique. And even if you don't know this, that this one has been cloned and forked and copied by more than hundreds of IT students, IT professionals, those who are working maybe in big companies now, who knows, some school students, some college students. So yeah, this one was popular. I did not know that this will be, but hopefully, not hopefully, like fortunately, it it was a very popular one. So that's good. Now, if you don't know anything about this, let me just walk you through, and then I will come to the announcement. Now, this one has a background, if you can see, is of a television with no signal, right? So that is the background in yeah, that is the background in the website. And then if you can see here, the logo is only my name, or let's say the developer's name, with the terminal effect. So if you have used Linux or any command line interfaces, then you will see this kind of pop-up, not pop-up, but like animation kind of, right? So the cursor is blinking. That's what I'm talking about, English. Now, when I started, when it was 2022, and now as this is 2025, so many things have changed. First thing is I have a short hair now. Second thing, I have a job now. So that time I was jobless, and these texts were chat GPT generated that time. Only this text, by the way. Nothing in this whole website is generated by AI except for these texts, right? So again, let me walk you through. Now the first section is the hero section, where you can see the photo. It can be anything. Now I think I also need to change the image, because again, short hair. And the CV needs to be uploaded. The let's talk will go to the footer, yeah. And then the second uh, section, that is the about section, this has an amazing effect, right? So while you are reading about me and you scroll, this part, the about me, the text section will stick here, and the right section will be scrolling, so you can see my text tags while you are going through this text, right? This is not rocket science, and this is not very hard to do, but I think this is unique, so that is why I have used it here. So yeah, this part will scroll, and then we have this project section, right? Now again, projects that I have created needs to be changed, because so many new projects were there, so many interesting projects as well. I will change this in the current version. So I don't think I have added any link, but yeah. So here, if you see, if this depends on the API, and the API was nothing, like this was just a JSON data that I am using currently, but it can be any API, and you can use that. So if there is any source code or any link, then whenever you hover, this will show you the arrow icon, and when you click on it, it will go to that repository, or it can be this live link as well. And then if you scroll down, if you scroll down, you will come to this footer, which is the contact section as well. Now it says I love coffee chat. Why? Because I really love talking to developers from all around the world. Not even developers, not only developers, but I have talked with designers, let's say like founders and so on. So that is why it is written I love coffee chat, because I love to talk to people. And then also if you see, it has a space background. Why? Because I love space, I love talking about space, I love exploring space. So that is a personal touch that I have tried to give here. And also it is like interested about front-end development, React, blah 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 blah, but like pizza. Now and again, like if you click on this contact me button, this is not a button, but this is an anchor tag, and it will go to your mailbox when you are using your phone and scrolling through this website and click on this. It will open your default email app. It can be Gmail, it can be your if you are using iOS, then mail. And then this social links. Social links are here in the hero section as well. If you see GitHub, LinkedIn, etc., they are added here as well. Now what will be in the next version? Because again I will need to change this images, text, etc. This is not a big deal, but what I am thinking is to add some tweaks, some uniqueness. Again, like this is unique of course, but again some uniqueness will be there. So everything you can see, this is hand coded, no chat GPT, no like no AI is there, no Tailwind CSS, nothing. It's plain CSS, handwritten by me, this hands. And yeah, so the next version will be this portfolio being upgraded with Tailwind CSS and so many more features. I am thinking of adding some more sections over here, and maybe a light and dark switch, who knows. But yeah, we're going to update this. And finally, this will be a series that will cover from buying your first domain, it can be your second, who knows, but buying your domain for your portfolio, that is also for very cheap. And then we will create this portfolio together and we will deploy this online. I will show you step by step like how to buy the domain, how to create the website step by step, and then how to deploy it. And yeah, I think that is it, right? So I think that's it. So I will see you in the next one, and the next video will not take long. It will be like anytime soon. So see you in the next one. Bye.